Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Here I'll be sharing tips and tricks on how to become a successful freelancer on Upwork. In this video we will learn about Talent Scout program, its assessments, and I will share my own experience, how I passed these assessments and what benefits I got. To start with, let's get a brief introduction. Mainly this program is consisted of three parts. Firstly, they will review your Upwork profile, and if that's good enough, you take two hard skills, one soft skills assessments, and thirdly, you will have an access to this Upwork Talent Scout cloud front-end development. It's like I passed front-end development scout, so I have this part and these exclusive jobs. Most importantly, if you get hired on Talent Scout jobs, you will pay no Upwork fees. And actually, Talent Scout clients pay extra fees to reach out to Talent Scout freelancers. That's why Upwork won't charge you 20%. It's Upwork fee. Okay, let's get started. To apply, you will go to this link. I will leave it under this video. And click this Apply to Talent Scout button. Here you will see your progress. I have no idea why mine is still in interview. I have already passed. You will be in the application review part, and if I remember correctly, they will ask you for your profile ID, profile link, and some basic questions. And during this application review, it will take 1 to 2 weeks. Upwork team will go through your profile, and if it's 100% full, professional, if it's good enough, you will pass it. If you are wondering how to create a good profile on Upwork, check out my video about that one, and I will leave its link under this video too. So if you follow the rules in my video about filling up your Upwork profile, you should be good. Secondly, if you pass the first stage, you get introduced to the skills assessment. Depending on your field, they assess your hard skills. I am a front-end developer. They sent me JavaScript developer assessments, 2 of them actually. I passed first one and the second one. I talked about the first one and the second one in my 2 videos, and I'll be leaving their link. And I also shared how to prepare documents and so on. After that one, you will have a chance to get to the soft skills interview. It is the easiest part of the interview. As long as your English is good, they will just ask you about some soft skill questions, job related questions, your experience, projects you worked on, and what projects you want to work on, and so on. And within a week or 2, they will send the answers, and if you are in, you will get a chance to see these exclusive jobs. And when it comes to my own experience, I actually never applied to Talent Scout jobs. That's because there are very, very little number of jobs. As you can see, it was posted 3 days ago, 4 and 18 days ago. It's like 1 or 2 jobs per week, and they require lots of years of experience. And I think I have never seriously tried to find a job through this platform, through this scout. But maybe you will be more successful than me and find a job here. And as you can see, the clients are enterprise. They have spent $2 million plus dollars on this platform, and they pay really, really well. And I guess that was it for this video. I hope you found it useful. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell button for more tips and tricks on Upwork, about Upwork.